It's Sudha here. Today in this video we're gonna discuss about if-else-if ladder. So you just need to follow me and don't forget to subscribe my channel The Light. So click on the bell icon. Without wasting any more time, let's start the video. First of all, if-else-if ladder is basically based upon a sequence of nested ifs. So first we discuss about the syntax of if-else-if ladder. First we use if keyword and then condition, statement, then else, if, condition and then statement. If you have more than one statement, then written in delimiters means that written in curly braces, and then else, if, condition, statement and up to so on, else and then statement. Basically if-else-if use when you have multiple choice and you want to execute one of them on the basis of a condition. And so here we take an example. Input marks and find grade of a student. If student score greater or equal 90 marks, it will show A grade, and 80 to 90 it will show B, and 70 to 79 it will show C grade, and 60 to 69 it will show D grade, and below 60 it will show F grade. So first open Notepad. Here make a class grade. Body of the class start. Here public static void main string arg, and then body of the main start. Here declare a variable input marks, and here m is used. Now we want to take input from the user, so package must be import at the first. So import package, import java.util.scanner and then terminator. Now create an object of scanner class. Scanner ob is equal to new scanner system dot in and terminate this. Now show a message on the screen, system dot out dot print please enter your marks below or equal 100, and then terminate this. And now assign the value using object ob.next int and terminate this. Now condition. Here you see if marks is greater or equal 90, then it will show A grade. So the condition become if marks is greater or equal 90, it will show system dot out dot print ln for new line, and here it will show A grade, and then terminate this. Now copy this and now else. The second one condition is, you see that if marks is 80 to 90, it will show B grade. So the condition become if marks m is greater or equal 80, then it will show B grade. So the condition become marks is greater or equal 80, it will show B grade. So change it into B and then again the third one condition, else if the third one condition is if marks is 70 to 79, it will show C grade. So marks is greater or equal 70, it will show C grade. So change it into C, and then again 60 to 69, it will show D grade. So else if marks is greater or equal 60, it will show D grade. Now change it into D. And now the last one condition is below 60 F grade. So here we are not using if condition, just use else, and then print F grade. Now body of the function clause, body of the class clause. Save this program in C drive, JDK 1.7 bin folder, and within double quotes type the class name, that is grade, with the extension .java within double quotes, and save this. Now run cmd, set the path cd JDK 1.7 cd bin, and for compilation java c, class name that is grade, and extension .java. Here compilation complete. Now to run this java, here class name grade. Here you get the output, please enter your marks below or equal 100. So here I will gonna enter 65, enter, and the output is D grade. You see, now we understand the working of this program. So first of all, control move to the main function, and here the m variable declare. So you see the m variable here, and then m variable. Now when control move to the second statement, then you see that here object is created of scanner class. So object is created of scanner class here. Again object is created. Now when the control move to the next statement, it will show on the screen, please enter your marks below or equal 100. Then control move to the next statement, ob.next int, and then it takes the input using object. It takes the input from the user and assign it to m. So it takes the input and assign it to m. Here we enter 65. So 65 is assigned to m. So m is equal to 65. Now control move to the if condition and check 60 is greater or equal to 90. If condition become wrong, then this one skip. You see that this one skip, and then control move to the next condition and check this condition 65 greater or equal 80, and this one again wrong, so it will skip this and move to the next statement, and here again check 65 greater or equal to 70. Here you see that it again become wrong, and control move to the next statement and check 65 greater or equal to 60, and this condition become true, so it will show D grade on the screen. Here you see, if we enter the value, let's say if we enter m is equal to 40, and again it checks all the condition, and here wrong, then this one skip. You see that this one skip, and then control move to the next condition and check this condition 65 greater or equal 80, and this one again wrong, so it will skip this and move to the next statement, and here again check 65 greater or equal to 70. Here you see that it again become wrong, and control move to the next statement and check 65 greater or equal to 60, and this condition become true, so it will show D grade on the screen. Here you see, if we enter the value, let's say if we enter M is equal to 40, and again it checks all the condition, and here it become wrong, and these are all skip, and the last one, so the last one statement is automatically display on the screen, that is F grade. Means that if all conditions become wrong, then the last else part, else block must be executed. So it works like as a default, so it become an output on the screen must. I hope guys this small video will really help you. So if you like the video, then click on the like button, subscribe button and share button. If you have any query, then comment below. I will see you guys in the next video.